with your Barbie girl. I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't.
Hey, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Imagine coming in.
Hey guys, so this is a collaboration with Rosalina. She's gonna be doing a Wonder Woman makeup. Just look at her beautiful face. I'm gonna leave the link to her channel right here. Make sure to click on that eye information. It will lead you straight to her channel so you can see how to look like Wonder Woman. Super pretty, super cute. So guys, let's do this. So I want to see how I go from this cutie to this baddie real quick. I'm gonna show you how it's super easy. So first of all, I use this Kylie Concealer, and this is just gonna cover all my dark spots and all the places that I have hyper discoloration on, and I'll just make sure to blend it all out. I'm gonna be using my primer. I don't know if you guys didn't notice, but I forgot to prime my face, so I'll make sure to prime my face so that once I apply the foundation, everything else can set. I'll prime my face, my neck, and I'll make sure to prime my forehead because those are the most important parts to prime. I'm gonna be filling in my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna go in with my concealer just to cover up any mistakes that I made while filling in. Also, you don't need to focus much on your eyebrows because Barbies don't have such perfect eyebrows, nor do they have super bad eyebrows. So I didn't know how to create it, so I decided that I'm just gonna fill it in normally. Once I'm done with that, it's time for the foundation. All the products will be linked down below, so make sure to apply your foundation to your neck as well. And I'm going to be using a beauty blender to blend all my foundation because it's going to create a softer effect on your face, and it's going to create a more cartoonish effect, and that's exactly what we want because we want to look like a Barbie who has no spots on her face, with her foundation routine super glowing and her skin calling bam and wow. So I skip the concealing process because it creases on me, so I go straight to applying my banana powder all over my face, and I'm going to be contouring my nose where I take the darker shade, and I'll just go ahead and contour my nose because Barbies have a small nose and we're trying to achieve that look. And then I'll go back in with the banana powder to the sides of my nose, as you guys can see from this video, to give it a smaller effect or to make it look as small as possible. And I'll just go ahead and apply the rest of the banana powder all over my face. And I'm going to be using my Gallant's Pro brush to blend it all out in circular motions so that it can set on my skin as well. I will finish up the whole contouring process. For the eyeshadows, it's a little bit more complicated because Barbies tend to have 3 eyeshadows or 3 colors on their lids, and 2 of them are neutral, so that's what I decided to do. I'm going to apply this orange type of tone onto my lids, and then I'll go in with a darker brown shade on the outer corner of my lids to blend it all out together. And finally, for a vibrant type of color, I'm gonna apply it to the center, which I chose this reddish type of color because normally in Barbie dolls you'll just see one color, but on the outer corners it's a little bit more neutral, and that's what I decided to go for. And a quick note, I am not that good in eyeshadow, so don't judge me. I'll be using this DIY highlighter to just highlight my nose and my cheekbones because that's an effect that we want, a super glowy type of effect, and that's what I want to achieve with this makeup look. To complete this look, I'll just be lining my lips, and I use this MAC lip liner, and I decided to use a pink type of lip gloss. And since it was too light for my dark skin, I decided that I'm gonna go in with a regular glossy lip gloss just to try to neutralize the effect of my lip gloss. To look more like a Barbie, I decided that I'm gonna wear my pink wig instead of the regular brown wig, and I just brushed it out, and voila, you have yourself looking like a Barbie. So that was it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to become part of the Lee Squad. All the products, all the products that I use, they will be down below, so if you want to check them out, definitely do that. Also, let me know down below what other videos you guys would like to see next, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, because that's where I keep all of you updated with what I do and what I will not do. That was it for this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.